This is the Dimension Stamps Project Club video for September 2013. I've already cut my card into the required pieces. If you have a look on the actual instruction sheet, I've drawn a little diagram here to show you what sizes to cut. It's also available on my blog, so if you want to have a look on there as well, it gives you all the necessary sizes. So I'm going to start off with the brown. And I want to use the longest strip and the shortest strip first, but I might as well use my anti-static pad on all three pieces. Just set that one aside for a minute. I'm going to use our Stamp and Stash plates. I've got a couple of packs all stuck together here, so really useful. I'll put my slot machine one ready, and then on this one I'm going to use all sorts of, I'll just get a piece of card to show you. We're going to use all the text stamps and the die, all the symbols for the cards, both the large ones and the smaller ones, and we're going to randomly stamp all across this long piece and then across this short piece. We're going to use Versamark ink and we're going to heat emboss using gold embossing powder. So let's get started. So that's the top and the side finished. You can actually see what I've stamped on. So we'll go on to the rectangle one. I have already dusted it, but I'm going to dust it again just to make sure. So we need the slot machine. We're going to use our Versamark and we're going to stamp right across the middle. Put plenty on. A little bit hard to see because I've got a bit of glare going on. And then we're going to do two half sections, one at the top and one at the bottom. Now, hopefully that's straight. A little bit hard to see. And that's the last bit there. Now we're going to put some embossing powder on. That's my hubby bringing me a cup of coffee. Thank you, David. So that's the front panel done. Next we want to use the cream card. And on this one we need just the diamond section, so we need 3 of those. Again using the Versamark. Turn it that way. and we're going to heat emboss with the gold embossing powder. And we also need a hand of cards. We're going to heat emboss those and then cut them out. So I've cut out all the sections. On the back of the cards and the diamond shapes I've put some foam tape. On the two panels and the main section I've put some double-sided tape, so we're going to attach that now to the card. Doesn't matter if you do across the top or down the side first, it's up to you, but we're going to leave a 1.5 centimetre gap. So making sure my text is the right way up. Doesn't have to be exact, but as near as the side panel. Making sure my text is the right way up. And then we're going to place that section right in the middle. And then we need our diamonds on. That's going to go right over the top of them. And then the cards, they go right in the corner. To cover that section. You need to just make a little bow. And I use some silicone glue on the back of that, and then we just need to add our gems, and that's the card for today. Thank you, bye.